Does my face register struggle? Because it definitely feels like a struggle. It's 5 a.m. and I'm not feeling it. Welcome back to Aloft Aloft. So I received this lovely package which has two magnetic acrylic whiteboards on it, or in this case clear boards, that I can write on. One shows the full month and then another shows the weekly planner. It's not exactly the set that I was expecting to get, but I'm going to make the best out of it. So I decided to use this weekly planner to, of course, help my husband, because he loves to say, hey, what's for dinner? Or, hey, what are we eating today? So when I go through and write everything out, he already has a plan and he can see what's going on for the week. So there's no questions asked, even though I'm sure he'll still ask me, but it's okay. Plus, it also kind of keeps me on schedule, even though sometimes I do alternate and switch things up. But hey, that's life, right? So this is what I decided to do last week. Of course, salmon, chicken. There's a couple days of leftovers because we do have leftovers from time to time. Then I also did turkey and peppers. Now, when I say stir fry, this is a type of stir fry that I mean, and I really love it. So here I decided, instead of doing stir fry with salmon, I did a bed of coleslaw and spinach. Then I decided to add in some roasted carrots and beans. Now, for the month, I decided to go ahead and plan out all of my workouts. I'm keeping it really simple. As you guys know, I do love Grow with Joe, but I also love Caroline, who has a ton of full body specific workouts, and she does them with dumbbells, and she also does body weight. So I'm going to be factoring her in this month as well. Here I'm just showing you a different view of the calendar because it didn't really show too well. As I said in my last video, I am back on it. So this is just my results after doing one of Grow with Joe's workouts. I switched it up from what was on my calendar and decided to do a Grow with Joe on the 17th as well as the 18th instead of taking a rest day and doing Caroline. I switched her to another day. But this is my results after doing one of her workouts, and yes, 5:57 a.m. because now I'm in the kitchen and I have to get ready for work right after I prepare breakfast and also prep what I'm going to have for dinner. Now here I'm just showing you that I also did a Grow with Joe workout on the 18th. Like I said, I changed it up. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching.